Mr. William was promoted to a director in his company 3 years ago. This was a promotion he was looking forward to at that time. He loved the new challenges that came along with this new role. But lately, he's not feeling that same excitement as he used to when he was promoted. That's when we had a conversation. We talked about his work life and his personal life. As we talked, what emerged is an emptiness in his life. There was nothing that was challenging in his life. His daily life was so predictable. He would wake up at the same time, go to office at the same time, have the same routine at office, come back home, spend some time in front of the TV, have dinner and fall asleep. Everything in his life was so comfortable. He felt as if his growth was plateauing. That, he realized, was the core of the problem. He used to be a great engineer who had a few patents to his name and a wonderful manager who was loved by his team members. But now, he was not getting enough opportunities to show his caliber. Towards the end of the coaching conversation, he took an action to add a few new challenges to his life as a means to spice up his life. He decided to add some morning routines like going out for a jog and saying hello to at least 3 strangers every day. Last week we had a follow-up session and his face was lit with a broad smile, a smile of satisfaction, a smile which revealed that he was no more bored. He had a lot of life in him. He said how he had enriched his life by the simple act of going out for a jog and making new friends. Every day, he would jump out of his bed feeling excited to go out. He has started up taking up new responsibilities in his housing society now. This brought in new challenges that he loved to solve. He said that he had made much more friends in 1 month than he had in his 30 years at work. All of us need something to wake up to. There are people who might be excited by the usual routine. There are people who need something different every day. And there are people who thrive in chaos. What kind of personality do you have? What makes you wake up every day? What makes you smile every day? What makes you go to bed satisfied? Of course, you can ask these questions to yourself and get the answers, but usually we all have multiple blind spots which might prevent us from understanding ourselves fully. That's where a coach would help. A coach can help you get a broader and a deeper picture of your life and help you decide what could make you tick. I have a few programs that I have come up with after talking to a lot of professionals just like William. I have seen a significant transformation in their professional and personal lives, which bring them back for more sessions to me. Are you looking for a better professional and a personal life? Don't you deserve a better life? Connect with me. Book a free 15-minute introductory transformational no obligation call with me. Click on the Calendly link given below to get started. I look forward to speaking with you very soon.